Hello, and thank you for attending the North Carolina AUVSI Drones and Hurricane Response Workshop. I am Christian Stallings, the co-founder and CEO at BirdOne. Here at BirdOne, we make software that is built to empower everyday people to do extraordinary things. Having deployed to several storms, including Florence, I understand the critical role provided by those who put their lives at risk to help others. It is a demanding job in difficult situations. Drones can provide a crucial role in hurricane response. Drones allow us to access hard-to-reach areas quickly and transport life-saving supplies. They also provide context about a situation so we can make better decisions. Drones have already made an impact on hurricane response, but I believe they can be more effective. Florence inspired the creation of BirdOne. During Florence, I worked assisting an electric utility company using drones. Our teams worked closely with the damage assessors responsible for identifying damage to deploy crews. Equipped with a laptop and a GIS map, they would walk difficult areas with flooding, debris, or dangerous animals, which takes time. Drones sped up this process considerably. The challenge became, how do you easily correlate the drone data with the GIS data? Pole identifiers are underwater or obscured. You resort to backtracking and spending a lot of time trying to match this information, causing mistakes. BirdOne, at its core, is a geospatial platform. It allows you to log into your GIS portal to access your data. We use augmented reality to display your data directly on the video feed. It doesn't matter if your data is 2D or 3D. BirdOne works in any terrain. BirdOne allows you to select and edit your GIS information quickly while you are flying. Easily attach photos and create new features as well. When you're done, sync your data back to your portal, ready for others, and automatically trigger new actions, such as ordering parts or deploying crews. What are some of the ways BirdOne can help you in hurricane response? Having your assets storm hardened can make a big difference. Drones can identify problems quickly. With BirdOne, you can collect new locations, attributes, and imagery in a single database compatible with most geospatial software and automatically share with your team so you can prioritize and manage your storm hardening efforts. During a response, BirdOne allows you to visualize your data directly on top of your live video feed. No need to cross-reference other sources. All the data you need can be displayed right there. Turn layers on and off as you need them. Select features to gain greater insight, such as installation date, maintenance records, or other useful information. This leads to better decisions and quicker action. BirdOne allows you to work in offline mode when internet isn't available. Additionally, low bandwidth settings are available to send 1080 images back to your team. Next, the rebuilding process begins. For municipalities and electric cooperatives, federal assistance, such as 406 grants, are necessary to cover the costs. Because BirdOne is built on top of the ESRI platform, this process can be greatly improved. Using ESRI's reporting tools, much of the manual process can be eliminated, which means your grants can get approved sooner. At BirdOne, we are passionate about storm response. Florence was one of the most challenging and humbling things that I've done. At BirdOne, we truly want to help you prepare, respond, and rebuild when the next storm comes. We want to help your organization solve your challenges. And if you want to learn more about us, please visit us at www.b1rd.io. Thank you very much.